ăn thùng rồi vô mồi cao ra sân nam giặt luôn nhưng mấy ai chôm nắng lần tặng bắp bắp luôn đây cả trời nói bong bong tôi chơi không cần nhắn luôn ngồi đây đó bắt luôn bắt bắt bắt
We are very victim from the Thai military. We pity on our people. Yes. One, we can say that now we have very strong solidarity. Cambodian, very strong solidarity. We have one leadership. We have strong military. We have a very, how I can say, our people are very charity. You can see the private company, all the charity people are sacrificed, come to our displaced people or our refugees. They do from their heart. That's why on behalf like locality, I'm very proud of our people. We help each other in the difficult situation, the slogan. So from this, we can say that we can struggle with the difficult situation and hope that one day the problem will solve. We need peace. Ceasefire is very important for us. Ceasefire can stop to kill people, like you see, from our newborn to our elderly, for our civilian, can stop our military die, injury. After this, you can visit our hospital. Now, provincial hospital moved from the city to the district because right now our capital cannot function, no electricity, no people live there. We need to implement fully ceasefire. This is very important for us. We need our international friend, our international donor or anybody come to help us. We are smaller than Thailand. We need peace.
Bạn thu đây, bạn thu khla để dương mô nứng chẳng dây thay dương mô nứng tiền ana ban ana chít luôn ana ót đôi thông tức đôi ấy nó sung khan ban đòn tức trờ number 3 con tui tôi dục lớn dùng cật lại cái này kìa rồi dương lố mà tân tật đời khoe cái này anh con dạ
ឲ្យបាននៅសុខភាពល្អហើយជោគជ័យគ្រប់គ្រង
ពេលតាំងមុំធួយកន្សែងចាបានហើយលោកគ្រូបានធូចចិនបើមុំមានបានអុយមុនអន្តិចផងមកបាត់ដៃទៅទីរត់ដោយសារក្របខ្លងក្រមកដាក់ដៃទៅទីអត់មានអុយអន្តិចទេជាមកូនកូនចៅនោះរងាត់មានអុយញ៉ាំ
Cô trai bán
Phạm